Once I found a little bird, weak, frail, almost dead. I felt her voice inside my heart as I scooped her up into my hand. Her tiny eyes were open, her tiny beak squawked loud. Her song continued in my heart, teaching me to sing. I still hear her song now clearly as a bell, strong yet melodic, peaceful as a prayer. Once I found a little bird and carried her to helping hands. I heard her song inside my heart and began to sing along. Once I found a little bird. I did not think she would live, but God smiled on this little bird, giving her back her song. Once I found a little bird. She grew healthy and strong. Her feathers thrummed violet blue, and her peeping made me smile. Once I found a little bird.